So, quick trivia. Every single time that I have the opportunity to sit down and consult with the Personal Learning Network, I always go home, apply it, and then I earn more. As in, more. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Pero, sasagutin muna natin yung question ni Harvey kasi tinatanong niya kung ano daw yung TikTok ni JV. Hindi ko alam kung nilalaman na ni JV yun. Also, sorry din kung naririnig yung hilik ni Babski, but natutulog siya. So, itutuloy pa rin natin itong chismis na to dahil gusto ko ipakita sa inyo kasi sobrang natutuwa ako. The Personal Learning Network, I call them that because every single time that we meet, kapag nagkikita ko sila na nagwo-work, lagi ako naupo, like, what do you do? Promise, if you surround yourself with the right people, you will continuously learn and improve. And today, I want to just quickly share with you how I'm actually earning more because I listened to JV. January, we had our team building sa Cebu, and habang nandun, nagwo-work pa rin kami. Especially JV and Queenie, tago na lang sila dito, but they are video editors. Now, JV is our mentor for video editing, and I asked him, so anong gagawin ko sa videos ko? Kasi one time, nagsitin ako sa class niya, sabi niya, ate, mali yung ano, talaga ginaganyan ako, sabi ko, bukla ako. Pero totoo, na hindi ako magaling mag-edit ng videos. It's just not me. Anything that's creative, hindi ako magaling gumawa ng anything that's aesthetic. So, dahil nga hindi ko naman siya madalas na ginagawa, for the most part, dinedelegate ko siya sa team ko na alam kong magaling doon. Eto si JV, tinanong ko siya, sabi ko, anong pwede kong gawin to improve? And he gave me so many tips na hindi pa ako umaalis ng Cebu, ng Bantayan, Cebu. In-apply ko na siya and girl, the results. Pero hindi ko kayo sasabihin ng yung chika-chika lang dito. I wanna show you real quick how his inputs changed my video editing game and my posting game and my Reels game. Now, before, I only get about 1,000, 2,000, basta everything's below 10,000 sa Reels ko. And parang sa akin, normal na yun. For a person who's more focused on the impact, ano ba yung naituro ko sa audience ko, nagulat ako because right now, all of my videos are actually hitting more than 10,000 views. A lot of them would be 500,000. Meron pa akong 3, 4, 5 videos na nasa more than 1 million na. Like this one is at 1.5 already. So how exactly is this helping me? Sa affiliate ko, sa Shopee, I used to get, meron pa nga dyan 5 pesos eh. But ayan, 5 pesos, 4 pesos, ganyan, until pack recently. How can this help you as well, especially if you have, number one, your own business, na gusto mo sanang mas maging maayos yung presentation mo sa social media, and number two, if affiliate ka, I think this is really important. Number three, kung ikaw ay freelancer, this is definitely a skill set na pwede mong i-add sa mga offers mo as a freelancer at ang laki ng impact niya sa business. Imagine ako, local pa lang ako, ito lang talaga yung ginagawa ko. Nag-create lang ako ng videos, hoping that it would reach the right people, and they would learn freelancing and all. What more kung meron pa akong business na pinopromote? Ito, affiliate pa lang talaga kumikita na ako dahil natuwa ako kasi, girl, kumita ako ng 12,000 in just 3 weeks and I'm like, huy, I love it. Anyway, itatag ko si JV dito. But if you guys also want to learn the tips and tricks that he gave me, he's our mentor for our video editing class. The class will start, kasi beginner-friendly siya. So the class will start with all of the basics, ano yung tools na gagamitin. He'll also give you a link para ma-download nyo yung tools. And then ano nga ba yung mga basics. May mga tinuturo pa siyang grid, hindi na kinakaya ng brain cells ko, guys. Sabi ko sa inyo, this is not my forte. Si JV talaga yung nagturo sa akin kung paano i-elevate yung aking mga videos and how I can reach yung parang full potential when it comes to creating videos for my affiliate business. And guys, ang class nito is on April 13th, yun yung next class. 1 till 9 p.m. siya. 999 pesos lang to. Pagkatapos, yung class will be, I believe, yung class is 8 hours. I think kinakaya naman ng 5 hours lang yung mismong class. Pero give at least 8 hours for that class kasi may mga activities kayo after. After ng live class, you guys will also have 2 weeks of internship. So, meron kayong output-based na internship. Meron kayong mga kailangan gawin, kailangan isubmit, at pwede nyong gamitin yon para sa inyong portfolio. I know for a fact that JV already hired for his team 3 or 4 people from his mentees. So, whenever may need sila sa team, nag-a-add sila ng galing sa mga mentees niya. Although, again, hindi namin pinapangako, every single class that we have, hindi namin ginagamit as hook or parang marketing na magkakaroon kayo ng clients after. It really still depends on your performance and how you will use everything that you have learned. Again, the next class for video editing is on April 13th. That's at 1 till 9 p.m. 999 pesos lang yung class. And if you guys wanna join, lang kayo sa profile ko, i-click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko, it will open this page. Open classes, hanapin nyo na lang nakasulat open classes. Tapos nakasulat 999 video editing. There you go. Video editing level 3 with internship siya. Pag-click nyo nung link na yun, nandun na yung mismong form, nandun na yung instructions kung paano kayo magbabayad, ano yung matututunan ninyo and all that. And yes, kasama rin po dito yung after the class, meron tayong tinatawag na application book. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-prepare na mag-apply. Meron tayong tinatawag na final activity. And you'd also have your one-on-one with me, which is yung pinakang practice na natin ng interview. Kung nasa Instagram kayo, ito yung i-click nyo. And in case lang na hindi gumana yung TikTok at saka yung Instagram, punta na lang kayo sa Facebook page ko. Hanapin nyo tong video na to, nandun sa mismong caption yung link. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, nasa description box lang yung pinakang link to enroll. And you can also explore yung videos and shorts ko dito. Mag-subscribe na rin kayo halimbawa and consume as many free resources available online as possible. Sana nasagot ko lahat ng questions dito. But just in case may mamiss ako, comment nyo na lang siya dito and follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!